So whoever installed the carpet on this boat, that's the propeller shaft access, so you can do the shaft seal. See the shaft seal back in there. But whoever installed the carpet, by the way, we've got a little water leak right there, so we'll check that air conditioner. They covered over this. There's another square patch right here. That's underneath this carpet, so if you need to adjust your propeller shaft packing seals, then you'll have to pull this carpet up to get to it, because they did not leave that hatch like they should have over here. So that's something that we need to take care of. But we also need to unscrew that and find out why we've got water flowing out. I think it's the condensate catch basin, so we'll check that.